Hi, let's see guidance from Lord Shiva. So, our first card is wait for the right time. So, maybe you wish to start something new, maybe you wish to make some changes, maybe you wish to initiate something, but maybe this is not the right time, and hence Lord Shiva is conveying that wait for the right time. And I guess looking at your individual circumstances, individual situation, you can identify that. Second one is I will never let you sing. Wow, beautiful message. So, guys, if you really feel currently that there is nobody listening to you, you're all alone and you're wondering, even you, like you're a devotee of Lord Shiva and you are wondering that is he even listening to me, is he even looking at me, then this is the answer for your question. Like, whatever you're going through, you may feel the worst, but you may feel that, my God, I'm going through such a thing, and why no miracle is happening? Why is Lord Shiva not protecting me or uh, like helping me to come out of it? Guys, this is maybe your karma. You have some life lesson, you have some learning, or maybe this will make you more and more stronger. That's the thing. And by the end, when you reached up to that level, you will understand that the divine energies were only protecting you. Like, worse thing than this can also could have been also happened, but no, it didn't. Your beliefs will come true. So guys, here I'm channelizing two scenarios. Beliefs are the important part of our life. What we have beliefs of ourselves, about our life, or maybe even others, but especially with respect to us, they always come out true. If you're having limiting beliefs, if you are in your comfort zone and you feel, no, I can't do this, I can't do that, it will come out to be true. So please be aware of what beliefs you keep, maybe with respect to you also and others also. You are close to finishing line. Wow, beautiful. So someone who is going through a challenging phase, struggling phase, this is the answer for you. You are close to finishing line. Do claim it. Don't get into this. So maybe there is some situation that's coming towards you, or maybe you are being purposely, or there is no relation of yours, there is nothing related to you, but still some people are trying to pull you, and this is the answer for you. So individually, please guys, this is not for, well, this is not for everybody, but if this message has came up, then obviously this is for somebody. So please try to analyze, try to acknowledge what situation it is. Don't try to step into it, because maybe you may take over someone else's karma that you don't even deserve or something. So uh, just acknowledge it, just mark it. Let's see some more message from this other deck. Okay, Trishul, healing. So guys, the Trishul of Lord Shiva is a lot, like, it is and dedication, sorry, not dedication, it is a sign of healing. It has such powers. So I would say with this card, imagining a Trishul, or as such, you can, pray you for your healings. This is what I would say. It will help you what is no longer yours, from which you are not able to come out. Just you need to close your eyes, you need to fine, even if you are imagining the image of Lord Shiva in front of you, that's great. And you can pray to Lord Shiva that please help me to heal with the help of your Trishul. He will do that. So individually, where you feel that you really need healing in this area of life, or overall, you can take that help and do it continuously unless and until you don't find a difference in you. Just a minute, guys. Okay, Karthik, brother, friend, protector. So there is some Karthik type person in your life, or Lord Karthik basically, or some sort of person, or even if you are such a devotee, even you like you're that spiritual, then Lord Kartik may come in disguise of a brother, friend, or protector. Or one such person is there in your life, this has been said to you. You need to recognize it, or maybe some of you even know about it. So see to it. This is what I would say. Beautiful message. And this person will always protect you, and it can be your friend, it can be your brother, whatsoever it is. So just see, and this message is for everybody, even if you're a female, you're a male, it can be anybody, but just see it, acknowledge it. So these were the messages for today, guidances for today from Lord Shiva. Thank you.